to fix GCash network connection error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your GCash network error. So first of all you have to do is just simply download the GCash application in your mobile device, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And if you find out that there is some error network connection in your GCash account, just simply go to your Play Store or your App Store and see whether there is any update pending regarding your GCash account in your mobile device. And if you see that there is any update pending, just simply go ahead and update your GCash account then and there. And once you update your GCash to the latest version of the mobile app, your GCash should work quite fine and the network connection error should be fixed. But if you still find that your network connection error is still showing up, so all you have to do is just simply go to your mobile settings, and after that just simply locate the app section from the settings, and over here just simply go to the app management from the top menu, and now just simply locate the GCash application in the list given here. Just tap on the GCash, and over here just go to the storage uses section and just simply click on it. Just simply clear your GCash related cache and the data that has been accumulated over the period of time. Just simply click on clear cache and clear data, and after that once you open your GCash account again, your account should work fine and your network connection error should be fixed. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your GCash network connection error if it is showing up. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.